What's up guys, Reboot here. In this video, I'll be showing you how to get the best audio quality when listening to songs in Apple Music. So you might have noticed that sometimes there will be a Dolby Atmos text at the bottom when listening to certain songs, but others won't have it. So there are a few reasons why you won't always have the best audio quality possible. Number one is that depending on the song, Dolby Atmos or a lossless quality may not be available. The second reason is that your cell phone signal or your Wi-Fi strength might be weak, so you won't always get the best audio quality possible. If you're in a location with bad signal, then your iPhone automatically uses lower quality audio to consume less data. Same goes when you're connected to your Wi-Fi and you have a weak signal. So if you guys always want to have the best audio quality possible, here's how you do it. First, open up settings. Then scroll down until you find music. Right here, we will have a lot of different settings to mess with. The first thing you want to do is tap on Dolby Atmos and switch from automatic to always on. So after switching to always on, you're also going to get this pop-up basically saying that Dolby Atmos does not support all speakers. Now, the next thing you want to do is go back and tap on audio quality. Here, you will get a lot of options to choose from in terms of audio quality. So first, you want to go ahead and enable lossless audio. Then you'll get more options here at the bottom to choose the type of audio quality when streaming using cellular, Wi-Fi, and when downloading songs. So pretty much just tap on cellular streaming. If you want the highest possible quality, tap on high-res lossless. At the bottom, it will tell you that lossless does consume significantly more data. So again, keep that in mind if you don't want to use up all your cellular data at a faster rate. It will also show you approximately how much data is used when listening to a 3-minute song. And as you guys can see, the higher the quality, the more data that is used. So now if we go back, we can choose the audio quality on Wi-Fi. I'm going to select high-res lossless, and you will get this pop-up that suggests using external hardware to listen in high-res lossless quality. If you're okay with this, go ahead and tap on continue. Now we can go back, and if you also want high-res lossless quality when downloading songs from Apple Music, you can turn that option on here. Now once all that's done, we can go back to Apple Music and start playing music at higher quality. If you take a look here, you will now see that most songs will either be playing in lossless or Dolby Atmos, whichever is available. And yeah, that's pretty much it. If you found this video helpful, make sure to hit that thumbs up. It really helps out the channel, and subscribe for more iPhone tips and tricks. Thanks for watching.